Hey, what's going on, guys? So I want to talk about pregame lobbies in Fortnite Creative. Now, I know Creative has been out a long time, and there's been lots of videos in 2019 that talk about how to make a pregame lobby to whatever map that you've made, so you can start there first, maybe read some rules or instructions that you've laid out, and then you start the game and hop on over to your actual creative map that you made. But I wanted to talk about it in 2020 because there's been settings that have been updated since a lot of those old videos last year. And when I made my map, a box fight map, it's a lot of fun, and I'm gonna self-promote it here in a moment. There was nothing that was to the point on how to make the spawn pads. So I'm gonna show you right now, so that way it's a quick video. You can get the answer right away if you hang in there and make your own map very easily. So let's hop on over and I'll show you what I mean. My box fight map is this right here if you wanted to play it. The floor is rising, box fights 1v1 through 4v4. My friends and I love this map. I made it because I love Enigma's box fighting map, which is 2 levels. Well, I made this one 4 levels and the floor rises every minute. So if you get caught down below, you're going to be eliminated. So it's a lot of fun. If you guys want to check it out, there's a code for it. But let's hop in so you can see the pregame lobby that I made that didn't take me very long before you actually start the game. So this right here is what I made for pregame lobby. Again, nothing fancy, very easy, but it's kind of fun while you kind of sit and wait for your friends to join on the ice here. But what you need to do, and I'll show you the spawn pads, is I have 4 on this side, 4 on that side because it's an 8-player map. Let's go down and check the spawn pad settings that you can copy for your own pregame lobby. Go to all settings or all options, and the first thing you're going to look at is enabled during phase. You want that to be pregame only. So this is the thing that I didn't see in other videos because that was from a year ago. A lot of the ones I saw that were popular, well, they've added this in at some point here recently. So enable during phase, pregame only. Team, you set to none. Priority group, you set to none. Uses island start, you say yes. And then visible during game, I have no. And that is it for this. You want to copy that for all the spawn pads that you have in your pregame lobby. And that's it. It's simple, very easy to do. Now, the next thing that we'll do is check out my actual box fight map. So normally when you hit the start game button, it's going to toss you on over into the actual map. Let's go check out those spawn pads so we can make sure it all lines up the way that you want it. Okay, we are over in my box fight map. So again, like I said, it's 4 levels, and every minute the floor is going to rise up until the final level. So if you want to play it, it's a lot of fun. I'm telling you, go check it out. But here are the spawn pads on this side, so 4 on this side, and then this wall I have breaks after 5 seconds to then reveal the enemy side. So there's 4 on this side as well. So let's look at the spawn pads that we have on this side. You want to copy exactly how it is. So enable during phase, I put it to gameplay only. Team number 1, because I have 2 teams. You'd want to do it however your map is. The priority group is none. Use as island start, no. Visible during games, no. And that's all you need to do. Or all 4, or however many you have on this one side, however many teams that you have, those are all team 1. These are all team 2 that I have, so same thing. Gameplay only on the first option there. Team number 2, priority group none. Use as island start, no. Visible during games, no. So as long as you have those the way it is set up on the pregame lobby over on my box fight side, it'll be exactly how you want it. And let's just test it out quick. I'll hit start game and we'll see what we made. So I'm back in my pregame lobby because I want to show it from the start. So on this one again, if I hit start game, it's gonna take me from my pregame lobby, toss me over into my box fight right here. So pretty cool. That's the way that I have it set up. I thought if this video gets 10 views, I've helped maybe one of you. It was worth it to me because again, I love creative and I love getting the answer quick on what I want, especially for pregame lobbies. So happy 2020, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like down below. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I appreciate all the support for everyone that's using my code LongJohns in the item shop. But until next time, guys, we'll see you out there.